How much are you pushing to the wheels, bro?
So around like 320, 330 to the wheel, 390 torque.
Man, I've been grinding on YouTube so much lately, it's crazy. Today, we're gonna go to Mexico and I'm gonna be racing a 2020 Honda Accord Sport. I believe it's full bolt-on tune on E85. I feel like he's gonna beat me because I know these Hondas, man. These Hondas are quick, especially if you're on E85, full bolt-ons and a tune. The Accords, they're major sleepers, man, major sleepers. I never knew my YouTube channel would be blowing up like this. Like, I think in a matter of like a month and a half, I'm at like 1,700, about to hit 1,800, and that's just crazy to me. Like, I never knew people would enjoy my videos like this. It just motivates me to keep going. I might either supercharge my G or supercharge my Honda. I live in California, so I don't want to get state reffed, and you know, I gotta take it, just in case like I'm turboed, man, it's gonna be a pain in the ass just to take all that stuff off and put it back to stock and stuff like that. So I feel like a supercharger in California would be the best way to go. Either way, we race in Mexico, but yes, ideally drive both my vehicles, so I feel like supercharger is the way to go. I don't know if you guys know this, but my G37's at 193,000 miles. Just met up with the Honda Accord owner. This thing is beautiful. So what's done to your car?
So basically full bolt-ons and flex fuel kit.
Nice.
RV6 Downpipe and just a muffler delete.
Nice, man, nice. The only thing that's done to mine is Stillen Gen 3s, test pipes, and arc grip catback.
Yeah,
and it's no tune, no tune.
Alright.
How much are you pushing to the wheels, bro?
So around like 320, 330 to the wheel, 390 torque.
Damn. I think you're gonna beat me, but it's gonna be a good one.
Probably not.
This guy. Now the E85 pump is not working. So I guess the cashier at Chevron was like, yeah, just come back in like 5 minutes. So right now we're gonna do a pull on 91, his 91 setup, and let's see the outcome. How's it feel filling up E85?
Shit, I don't even know, bro. Nothing? You can't even feel nothing. It's not a muscle.
About to get it right in the Accord. So where's your ethanol levels?
So it says it right there. It's at 44 right now. Yeah, 44.
Yeah.
But to really get it right, I just gotta drive it for a bit.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, you're gonna beat me, bro.
I don't think so.
Honda Accord is such a beautiful car. He built it perfectly right. But his tuner actually said that he's pushing 360 to the wheel, which I personally don't believe, and he also doesn't believe, so he's assuming he's pushing 330, 320 to the wheel, and I believe I'm pushing maybe 305 to the wheel, or maybe 310. But we're gonna go to Mexico right now and finish our races. that 60 roll. That thing is definitely quick, especially when he brake boosts. Like, man, that thing just flies. Locked me out pretty bad. So bro, were you expecting your W or what?
Shit, honestly bro, low key.
I'm not gonna lie, I knew you're gonna win. Because I know the capability of these Honda Accords, bro. They're like 10-speed auto, full bolt-ons, E85, bro.
Yeah.
I knew you're probably gonna be pushing like over 320. How much are you pushing again?
Around, yeah, like 320.
Around 330? Yeah, around there, huh?
90 torque.
Nice, man. Yeah, I mean, since my car isn't tuned, I think I'm pushing maybe 305. 305 maybe, yeah. So I definitely feel like you were gonna win this, but it was all for fun, bro. You know I'm a Honda fan.
Hell yeah. We gotta race the Civic.
Oh, hell no. Hell no, you can smoke me, bro. When I supercharge it, yeah.
It's good.